हेलो गाइस व्हाट्सअप। तो कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल, यू आर डूइंग गुड in your life. So yeah, it's been a long time. I'm making a vlog, I'm making video. So as you all know that we are a student here. So we have to go for part time, and after coming from part time, so we have to do some college study stuffs, project work. So uh, can't able to involve in any social media. So whenever I'm free, so whenever any topic pop up in my hand, so I'm making a video immediately for you guys. So uh, without wasting any time, let's get started. So uh, as as you will come here as a student, so how you will save your money here without wasting any without wasting your €1, or we can say any cents here, because you're a student, and saving is the most important thing here. So when you save your money here, so you know one day you will become kind of rich, I would say. So yeah, uh, let's take an example here. I'm a finance student, so I will uh, talk about how you can save your money here. So yeah, suppose if you are going to purchase any groceries, obviously you have to go obviously we'll go for weekly or monthly groceries. It's totally depend on yourself. So suppose in my case, I'm going for purchasing weekly groceries. So in that, I'm saving my 3 euros. 3 euros. So how I have saved that 3 euros? So um, I will give you one tips and tricks. So whenever so if you are planning to come here in Ireland, especially in Ireland, so when you go for any part-time job, so don't go in a retail one, because in retail one they will not give you any food, any drinks. So that's a dark side if you go to any retail shops for part time. So in my case, I'm going in food industry. So here there are various options you can go for. So like I'm going in Supermax. So it's a competitor of McD, McDonald's. So in Supermax, they are providing 11.5 euro food voucher. Food voucher. So in that, suppose I will buy one sandwich or one subs around 6 euro, and the remaining balance, so you can buy water bottle or fruit drinks or whatever you want, like soda, like 7 Coca-Cola. It's depend on you. So when you buy that bottles or cans, so you will see the R logo on the back side of the bottle or can. So I will show you that R logo. If that R logo present on the water bottle or any can, so you will get for each water bottle or cent or can, you will get 15 cents back. I think it's a credit, so you can use in your weekly groceries or monthly groceries. So I will show you how I have collected those bottles, and I have saved my 3 euros in weekly groceries. So let's get started. तो गाइस ये मेरे कैंस है जमाए हुए, आप देख सकते हो। इसमें बॉटल्स भी है। तो बेसिकली आई विल शो यू, इसमें जो ये सिग्नेचर होता है ना, सो दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट सिग्नेचर, देन ओनली विल गेट कूपन फ्रॉम एनी रिसाइकल और रिटर्नेबल मशीन। हम आप देख सकते हो सुबह से बारिश हो रही है, सो इट गिव्स यू नो फीलिंग लाइक यू आर इन मुंबई, सो इट्स गुड। सो जाते हैं अंदर। ये रहा वो ग्रॉसरी मार्केट, लिडिल, सबसे सस्ता और सबसे अच्छा। सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड। से मशीन है, सो इसमें आपको जो है वो आपके जमाए हुए कैन डालना है। इसमें देखो लिखा हुआ भी है इंस्ट्रक्शन, सो इंस्ट्रक्शन पढ़ लो फॉर योर रेफरेंस। आई विल शो यू हाउ इट्स वर्क। सो it's accepted. See here it show me I have submitted one can, so I will submit second one. Here we go. So here it's not showing 2, so how it's worked. हुआ मेरा 225, 3 can and 12 bottle. So here I'll put the rejected one, how it show. Yeah, so you know here you can't see the logo, that R logo, so I will put here. So let's see how much it will reject. So make sure that R should be written on the can or bottle. That's it.